candidates, 13 were not registered as withholding agents. 5 are actually winning candidates. So they are Senators Alan Peter Cayetano, Bingo Honasan, Lauren Legarda, Mary Grace Pole Manzares, and Senator Cynthia Villar. I'd like to point out though that because, as I said earlier, EIR also issued temporary receipts. So for the 5 winning candidates, we found out that Alan Peter Cayetano, Honasan, and Villar used the temporary receipt. And also in our correspondence with the candidates, Villar in particular sent us a BIR certification saying that she remitted withholding tax at certain dates from the months of February to May. Now, 8 candidates also did not register as withholding agents. They are Greco Belica, Teddy Casino, Tingting Coangco, Rizalito David, Baldomero Falcone, Mar Williasos, Christian Semeres, and Brother Eddie Villanueva. Now, all 8 also did not use the correct receipt. 12 political parties, 4 were not registered as withholding agent. We have ang Kapatiran, Bangon Pilipinas, DPP, and Makabayan. And I would also like to know that one party, the Laban ng Demokratikong Pilipino, registered with the PIR after the elections on June 13, 2013. Okay, so once again, yung pangalawa naman pong area for compliance, the use of official receipt with the authority to print or the BIR temporary receipt. For the 33 candidates, 10 did not apply for ADP or use the BIR temporary receipt. The 10 candidates not registered as withholding agents, as I said, excluding Cayetano, Honasan, and Villar. For the parties, the same 4 parties that did not register as withholding agent also did not use the correct receipt. Ang implication po ng hindi paggamit ng correct receipt is, as I said earlier, pagka hindi siya duly reported, according to Commissioner Canales, the donation may not be considered as tax exempt. So this is an example of the OR with APP that was submitted by Senator Coco Pimentel.